Hello. Today we're going to do a charcoal and pastel lesson. And for this you will need, from a range of colored pastel papers, to choose one that you like that goes well with your plant and clip it to the board. You will need, of course, charcoal in thin sticks that you take one stick at a time to work with. And then you will need soft pastels, colors in a box such as I've got here. And mats to frame your work with when you've finished. Not forgetting though that in the meantime, before you mat it, you will need to have fixed it or laminated it. If you fix it with either a pastel fixative or a hairspray, you'll need to take it out in the open air to spray it. The fumes are too strong for indoors. And then the plant itself, a nice colourful plant that you like, that's nice and easy for you to work with, that will colour up well with your charcoal and your pastels. Get an idea of the size of the thing before you put it down on your paper, and then start at the top with the very first thing you see and put the shape best you can down. Look at its shape and where the pot comes and the size of your paper, so that you say to yourself, all right, well, I'm going to start at the top. I want to get it all in. So you start doing the first shape that you see, and you put that down best you can. And then you see, well, something touches that. So you put the thing that touches it, and you put that down best you can. Then you see something else touches that, so that you put that down best you can. And behind that, something goes. So you go up to it, come out the other side, and go as far as it goes, and back again, till, of course, it touches something else. So you do the something else, finish off. Now it's dipping down in front. Well, it's just a shape, so you do the dipping down shape. What shape's in front of that? And I put that down. And what's beside that? And I put that down. And what's next to that? And I put it down. And this one's going to go right off the edge of the paper. So you let it go off the edge. Then I come back to where I started, and I see there's another shape going in the other direction. So, and that's coming towards me. But I put it down, it's only a shape. Then I come back, and, well, it joins up with the other bits that were starting. Then another shape comes out of that, so I put that down, and this is what happens all the way down to the bottom where I will meet the pot. So you start up and you do that, and we'll all work together. And when I get down to the pot, I will stop you and we'll talk about the pot drawing. So you get on now, and so will I, and we'll see how we go.